guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you one of my camping gear, the sleeping pad, which I bought it from the Decathlon, the Forclaz. So actually I use this sleeping pad for all seasons, but on the identification of this mat was mentioned that it's for 2 or 3 seasons, but it's also useful for the winter. I use it for snow winter, in a rainy time also, so it's very useful and it's not so expensive. So I'm going to share the link of my video where I use this pad, maybe at the left side of this screen, your right side of course, yeah. So actually it's 800 gram, not so heavy. I bought size L. Just I want to show you here the size L. Yeah, it's 180 centimeters length to the 52 centimeters to the wide. Let's begin to open, and I want to show you how to use it. Just opening, you need to take it out a little bit, and from behind there is a handle rope, and just you can pull it, that's it. So something like that. The side where will be the down, there's a, let's say, the 2 holes where it's began to inflate itself in and out. So what we are going to do the first, we need to close the out hole and need to open the in hole. So the air will enter inside from here and it's not going out anymore. So when we look to this side, actually this side is coming to the our sleeping bag, yeah. And when you look here, there's a something, you know, as a rubber, which just attach, just keep the sleeping bag, you know, on it, and doesn't let you, how can I say, to move inside of the tent. Yeah, it's really good, I appreciate it, but I wish that the same things, the same stuff will be here. It will be the more, how can I say, nicer, more I think the comfortable. Why? Because there's not any, you know, this kind of, you know, how can I say, rubber or as a glue, so possible to, you know, to move this sleeping mattress, possible to move on the sleeping mat. You know, it happens with me in the middle of the night. I saw that I just remove from the middle of the tent to the left or right side. So what we need to do now, so I just want to put it itself to here. Actually how I use it, when I began to set up my tent, so I just take it out and put on the ground. So during the 10 or 15 minutes maximum, it began to, how can I say, take the air from here, from the this part, I mean the in hole. So after some time, when everything, I just settle my, you know, the camping gear inside of the tent, you know. So I'm just coming, I need to blow just 10 maximum times, and then it will be there ready. So I don't want to wait the 10 or 15 minutes, otherwise the video will be so long and it will be so boring. So I just want to do it now actually. So okay. and you stop to blowing it, the air doesn't go out anymore. So only the air goes out from here, from out hole, not from here. Yeah, some more. That's it. That's it. This is our mattress. Let's say the sleeping pad or mattress. It's around 2 or 2.5 centimeters. It's really comfortable to sleep on it. So as I told her before, I use it even to my snow camping. I didn't feel any cold. Of course, I put the sleeping mat under that, under this mattress, so I didn't feel any cold. So yeah, I really like it, and maybe below the video I will share the link where it's possible to buy it. I'm not gaining any money from there, so just, you know, if you want to get the more information about that, about the price, because for the different countries there are the different, how can I say, price for equipment. After the camping, when you want to take the air inside of the mattress, you need to just, as I told before, open that one, only the out one. You don't touch to the in one, just out one. Take it, just pull it like that. It's very easy, yeah. And then I do every time. I do it to the like that. And you push it. You can hear the sounds going out. Yeah. And from here you begin to cover it. That's it. So yeah. Pull the rope. Lock it. Ready to go? Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and put that like to my video. Maybe some of you use also this kind of the mattress, or maybe different mattress. So which kind of mattress you used, or which one you prefer to use, just you can write your comments below. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.